What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you a quick question. Are you doing stupid YouTube? And by that, I don't mean to insult anybody's intelligence, but the fact of the matter is that most people do not understand how to use YouTube the right way. A lot of people are doing it in a stupid way, and they're going to waste their time and get frustrated and get absolutely no results. Okay, I'm going to share with you some new software that allows you to really drive a ton of traffic, but if you do it in a stupid way, it's going to be a waste of time and you're going to get frustrated. But if you do it the way I'm going to teach you how to do it in my bonus, you're going to love this thing because this is going to drive a ton of traffic for you. The software is called Autotube. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people that can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jaws can be as stale as well. The matzo crackers that I'm going to be having in a few weeks for Passover. They're really, really stale and boring. And anyway, but that's the way life is sometimes, right? You know, my Christian friends have your communion wafers. We have our matzah. We all have to have these crackers at some point, I guess. But anyhow, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and to make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
But really, every single time, this guy is so irritating all the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety. He can't seem to get a new line. Please, for the love of all that's holy, let's do a fundraiser for him so we get him a new line. Anyway, seriously, if you are new to the way things work, if I like a project, I will give it to my hand to product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. Who can get angry at her? Anyhow, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Thanks to subscribe. Doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking at the sales page right now. This is the sales page for Autotube. It's a new software from my friend Rudy Ruda. They can see some of the money that he's been able to make. Now, I don't know that he's made all this money just from YouTube. Okay, I do know that there is serious money to be made. I've made money on YouTube. Okay, I know that it can work wonders for you. But I also know that a lot of people do things that are really stupid. Now, I'm going to tell you what the stupid thing is. I'm not going to tell you how to do it the right way. That's going to be my bonus. Okay, the stupid thing is like this. So you guys know I post videos here on the channel every couple of days. Okay, I try to post as regularly as possible. A lot of them are reviews these days just because I don't have as much time as I used to have. But I try to post content here as much as I can. Now, here's the thing, though. When I post the content here, I very often get spam comments. The spam comments are basically people who decide to write something like, "Oh yes, I'm able to make money with this and that and the other thing," blah 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 blah. You know, and they try to get people to go look at some random website, and this is what I call stupid YouTube. Okay, these are people who are dumb, who don't know what they're doing, who don't understand how to use comments effectively. Basically, what they're doing is wasting their time, wasting their efforts, and they're not going to get anywhere. Now, I came up with a really, really smart, bit sneaky, but very smart way of doing this the right way. Okay, if you want to do it the right way as opposed to the wrong way, then you're going to want to get my bonus for the Autotube software. I'm going to show you the software in just a minute. I'm going to show you how it all works. Okay, but I want to tell you, if you want to do YouTube the right way, if you want to make money, and you don't have to use the software necessarily in order to do this. The software just makes it faster. Okay, but basically you could do this even without the software, what I'm going to teach in my bonus. Okay, it's really, really cool. It's going to help you out so much to be able to make real money using YouTube, but you have to do it the right way. That's what I'm going to be teaching you in my custom bonus. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to this thing, I'm also going to give you PLR rights, full PLR rights to my own Tube Dominator course. There's a 2-part course that I taught, which was $500 when I sold it, and it's still all relevant. You're going to get PLR rights to Tube Dominator, pick up any upgrade, pick up any 2 upgrades, and I'm also going to give you PLR rights to my set of ready-made thumbnails that you can edit, you can sell them, give them away, do whatever you want with them. Pick up the entire funnel. I'm going to give you everything in Tube Dominator. Basically, Tube Dominator also included a set of ready-made websites that you could sell. You're going to get everything in Tube Dominator. You'll have the whole thing ready to roll for you. I'm going to give you the whole kit and caboodle if you pick up the entire funnel. So let's go ahead and take a look at the software. Okay, so this is the training area for the software. What I really want to show you, because this is the cool part, is the campaigns. Okay, so basically what you can do is like this. You can go and search for Make Money Online, for example, and it's going to find videos about making money online. Now, what you can do that's really, really cool, you can actually start putting in comments on these things. Now, again, stupid YouTubers are going to go and try to spam these things and say, yes, I can make money with such and such a website. That's the stupid way of doing this. Okay, there's a smart way and a stupid way to do this. And what you want to do is do it the smart way. I'm going to teach you how to do that in my custom bonus. But if you just pick up the software and just start commenting and spamming these things, even if you get your comments posted, which very often you will not. Very often doing these comments not only will not get not only will they get deleted right away, because I know that I always delete these stupid comments, but very often if you get flagged, you're going to get your account banned on YouTube. Okay, and yeah, you can start up another account, obviously, but the more accounts you start up, the harder it is. Google is not stupid. If they see you starting hundreds upon hundreds of accounts, then they're going to stop you altogether, and you're going to have a problem. So you want to do it the smart way. I'm going to teach you the smart way of doing it. There is a bit of a sneaky but very smart method of doing this. I'm going to teach you in my custom bonus how to do it the right way as opposed to the wrong way. And again, pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you PLR to my Tube Dominator course. Pick up any 2 upgrades. You're also going to get my ready-made thumbnails with PLR. Pick up the entire funnel, and I will give you everything that's in Tube Dominator, including all the courses, all the ready-made websites, everything. You're going to get the whole kit and caboodle included for you when you pick up the entire thing. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip my answer product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, I mean, seriously, that was obvious, wasn't it? I mean, you demand, seriously. Okay, look, I really like the software, but I only like it if you do it the right way. If you do it the wrong way, you're wasting your time. But if you use it the right way, if you actually use this software the right way, you are going to make a ton of money using YouTube, and this method is going to teach you exactly what you need to do. Just make sure that you use my method, and you'll be fine. And go ahead and grab this one. This one's good. You're going to love it.